Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 11 Time and Work Exercise 11 Question 5. It is A, B and C working together take 8 minutes to address a pile of envelopes. A and B together would take 10 minutes. A and C together would take 15 minutes. How long would each take working alone? So very simple. A and B and C together they work and they'll take 8 minutes to do that work. If A and B only work together, not C, they will take 10 minutes, and if A and C work, they will take your 15 minutes to do the same work. Now, how long will each take working alone? So for each of them we have to calculate. Very simple. First of all, have a look. A, B and C take how much time? 8 minutes, right? So together they will take 8 minutes. Now A and B together would take 10 minutes, right? So A and B together they'll take your 10 minutes to do this work, and A and C together they will take how much? How many minutes? 15 minutes, right? Now see, 15 minutes they will take to do this work, same amount of work. Okay, now we will calculate their 1 minute work. So 1 minute work of A, B and C is 1 upon 8. Just reciprocate the above. 1 minute, let me just put the dashes here. So 1 minute work of A and B is 1 by 10. 1 minute work of A and C is 1 upon 15. These three things we have calculated. Now I will calculate the next thing, which is what? Which is my work, time taken to do the work by every single person, A, B and C. First I will begin with A. You can begin with anything anyone you like, right? You can begin with B also, it's totally up to you. But I'll begin with A. So first of all we will use this thing that we have, 1 minute work of A, B and C. If I can expand this thing, so I will write this as what? 1 minute work of A, B and C. Now I'm going to expand this, so I'll have 1 minute work of A plus 1 minute work of B plus my 1 minute work of C. This way I have written this, and you can see 1 minute work of A, B and C I know, which is 1 by 8. 1 minute work of A, do I know 1 minute work of A? No. 1 minute work of B, I don't know 1 minute work of B. 1 minute work of C also we don't know. So what I can do here is, we don't know 1 minute work of A, B or C separately, but we definitely know 1 minute work of two of them combined, A and B and A and C. So I can choose anything I want, right? 1 minute work of A, 1 minute work of B, 1 minute work of C. So I'll begin. See, 1 minute work of A, right? I'm going to begin with B, okay, not with A. I'm going to be beginning with B. So 1 minute work of A, sorry, let me erase this thing, right? I'll replace these two things. You can see 1 minute work of A, 1 minute work of B. These two things I have over here. 1 minute work of A and B, 1 by 10. 1 minute work of A plus 1 minute work of B. Are the two things not same? They are same things only, but we have expanded them. So this thing is also this only, and this is also this. So I'll write 1 by 10 in their place, plus 1 minute work of C, right? Now see over here, 1 minute work of C. What will this become? We'll begin with A and B. We've got left with C. So this will give us the 1 minute work of C. After I subtract this, 1 by 8 minus 1 by 10 is 1 minute work of C. This is your 5 and 5 and 4 and 4. So you'll have 1 by sorry, why am I doing directly? I'll have 5 minus, this is 4, 5 minus 4 upon 40 is equal to 1 minute work of C. 1 upon 40 is equal to 1 minute work of C. Now you can see I have calculated 1 minute work of C. With this I can calculate my 1 minute work of with this I can calculate the total time B will take to do this work. So therefore C will take 1 upon 1 by 40, that is 40 minutes to complete the work. Okay, you can write this further. Now this we have calculated for C, that is your 40 minutes. Now next up is going to be A, because I know C and I can put this in the place of this A and C. 1 minute work of A and C is equal to the 1 minute work of A and the 1 minute work of C, right? A and C here and A and C over here, both are same thing, right? 1 minute work of A and C combined, this is my 1 by 15, and 1 minute work of A is what we don't know. 1 minute work of C is given to us, so I write it this way: 1 minute work of A plus my 1 by 40, because 1 by 40 is the 1 minute work of C. We don't need this 40 minutes, we need 1 by 40. So 1 by 40 here, 1 by 15 minus 1 by 40 is equal to 1 minute work of A. This is your final answer. This will be for A. See, 40 and 15, their LCM is going to be 120, because I cannot take 80. 80 is not divisible by 15, but 120 is divisible by 15 and 40 both. So 15 8s are 120, 1 into 8, 43s are 120, so 1 into 3, 8 minus 3 by 120 is equal to 1 minute work of A. So see over here, I'll have 5 by 20, this is your 1, and this I'll cancel it by 5 only, so 1 upon 24, right? 12 here, so 10 here, and 24 here, so this is 1 upon 24. This is your 1 minute work of A. That becomes your 1 minute work of A. Now therefore A will take how many hours? 1 upon how many minutes? 1 upon 1 by 24 minutes, which is your 24 minutes to complete the work, right? And that becomes your answer. First, C will take 40 minutes, A will take 24 minutes. Now we will also calculate for B, but for that I'll erase this. So let's move on for calculating the time B will take to do the work. Now over here you can see 1 minute work of A and C. Using this we have been able to find the 1 minute work and the time taken by A, 1 by 24 and 24 minutes respectively. Now for B, what I will do, see, I know 1 minute work of A and B together, it is 1 by 10. So again, just like A and C we have done, same I will do for A and B, which is going to be 1 minute work of A and B is equal to 1 minute work of A plus 1 minute work of C. B, right? So 1 minute work of B. Now in these places I can put two things I know, third thing I don't know. 1 minute work of A and B I know, 1 by 10 plus is equal to 1 minute work of A I know, that is 1 by 24. So put it here. Now 1 by 24 is the 1 minute work of your A plus 1 minute work of your this B. We don't know it, right? Now 1 by 24, 1 by 10. I'll take 1 by 24 to the other side. So I will have 1 by 10 minus 1 by 24 is equal to 1 minute work of B. This is your 24 5s is 125 2 and 2 there. So 5 here and 5 here, and over here 12 here. 12 minus 5 by 120 is equal to 1 minute work of B. This is 7 by 120 is equal to 1 minute work of B. So B will take 7, B will do 7 by 120 work in 1 minute, right? Now what next I want? Therefore B will take 1 upon 7 by 120, that is 120 by 7 minutes. Okay, or this you can convert into mixed fraction, that would be better. 17 whole 1 by 7 minutes to do the work, right? And that becomes your final answer. For B also we've calculated, here also I've calculated for C, and here for A. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.